You changed the address on your Google business listing because you moved and then Google suspended it. So what do you do next? I'm going to answer that question in this video. I'm going to take you through 3 distinct steps that'll help you get your listing back online and ready to go. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that the location that you're moving to is a proper location that you can verify. I've included a blog post and some other details in the description below this video to help support that diagnosis in full. What I will share is that if you're trying to move to a location like a PO box or a virtual office where you're sharing the same exact address as another business, you're going to have some difficulties getting your profile through the appeal process. There's some nuance to it. Again, check out those resources below and you'll be able to tell, what is the proper verifiable address. So assuming you do have the right address, here's a couple of things that you need to have in order to make it through Google's appeal process. Documentation is the most important thing. They want to know, are you a legitimate business at this location before we verify you? So what they're looking for is, at best, documentation from the Secretary of State, your articles of incorporation that name the business itself and the address of the new location. Okay. If for some reason you don't have that, usually some utility bills will suffice. Again, name of the business at the location. You can also work with things like a certificate of insurance. Again, name of the business and the location that you're trying to appeal. Okay. Now, sometimes even with this documentation, it's not enough, but you're going to find that out when you submit your appeal in the next step. Third thing you'll do, and I'm going to put this in the description below this video, there is a link that you can go to submit and monitor your appeals with Google regarding your Google business listing. And so this is where you would go in order to take that documentation that you've collected, submit it to Google along with any other information that you have. So they might allow you to upload photos of the new location at that time. They might allow you to upload other types of documentation. The more that you can provide, again, that has your exact business name and that exact post address where you're trying to get re-verified, your chances of success are much higher. Once you submit your business for appeal, it can be as quick as 2-day turnaround for them to reinstate the business, but I've seen it take up to 3 weeks to hear anything back from Google at all. In some cases, they may ask you to do another video verification walkthrough, even after you've submitted all the documentation to prove that you are, in fact, legitimately operating at this new location. And if that's the case, I have a video for that. Look in the description below this video. This is one part of several other videos that have to do with Google business profile verification and all the issues that are occurring right now in this landscape. I get calls from business owners on a frequent basis to help them get through the hurdles, the appeals, the suspensions, and other issues that they're having with Google that aren't allowing them to get on Google Maps and take advantage of all the free traffic that's there looking for their services. So if you need help with that, if you'd rather not bother with the DIY, you can also check out the link in this description and book a time on my calendar, and I will help you get through your Google business woes. With that, I appreciate you for watching my video. Check out the rest of the resources that I mentioned in this video down below. We're going to have a lot in this description, as well as a full-on blog post with some screenshots that show you, where to go to appeal and so on and so forth. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video. Bye for now. Thanks so much for watching my video. If you like this one, you'll love some of the other videos we have posted here on our channel that help blue-collar business owners get more out of their digital marketing. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, check out the other videos. If you got questions or comments, post them below. I look forward to catching you on the next video. Bye for now.